10 benefits to become a graphic designer. 1. Unleash your creativity as a graphic designer, where no two projects are ever the same. 2. Experience the thrill of seeing your designs come to life across various platforms. 3. Enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere, setting your own hours and pace. 4. Gain diverse skills, from web design to animation, expanding your creative horizons. 5. Being a graphic designer offers constant learning opportunities in an ever-evolving field. 6. Delve into the psychology of color, shape, and typography, giving depth to your designs. 7. Work in different industries, from advertising to film, ensuring varied and exciting projects. 8. Make a significant impact, helping brands communicate effectively through your designs. 9. As a graphic designer, you'll have job security in a high-demand industry.